Do you know that one of the most stable business in Nigeria is the mama put business? It will interest you to know that most Nigerians eat out on a daily basis, and guess what? The food is affordable. So if you're a good cook and you are neat and you don't know the kind of business to venture into, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to the show I Talk You Talk on Bonnie's chat room. If you're new on the show, hi, I am taking you. You can call me Titi. On this channel, we talk about empowerment, we talk about entrepreneurship, we talk about motivation, we talk about skill acquisition, and we talk about mentorship. So if this is the kind of content you like to watch, please go ahead and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get every update we make. Please subscribe to our channel. Remember, I rise by lifting others, so you also rise by lifting others. Today we'll be talking about Mama Put. That is a business that never goes out of style. It's always there. And you'll be wondering, what is Mama Put? Mama Put is that woman, that man that sells on the street at one corner. And not just the street, they are always on busy locations where you have banks, you have schools, you have hospitals, you have even residential areas. You find them there. They're at a corner. But guess what? Lately, they have been trying to get a new innovation. Most of them have started getting kiosks. Most of them have started renting a small space. But from ages to ages, we still find those ones that are on the road with their umbrellas selling good food. And so if you are that person that you're neat, because we have to think of people's stomach, the well-being of people's health before you venture into this kind of business. So if you're that kind of person, you know you are a good cook, you are neat, hygiene is paramount to you, then this kind of business is the business you should venture into. For instance, you're wondering, you're not in Nigeria, and you're saying, what is Mama Put? Anyway, the word Mama Put originated from way back, because people are always in a queue trying to buy food, and they are holding their plates. So they'll say Mama Put, and women were known for this business before now. They'll say Mama Put. So as they are saying Mama put rice, put beans, that's how the name started, and it has been there for ages. And this business is profitable. You have daily income, because it's not a business you sell today, you don't sell tomorrow, you sell every day. So there's always something coming into your pocket, and from there you can start saving as a starter. And someone may be wondering, oh, I don't have so much money to start up this business, I don't have space. You can even start in front of your house if you're determined. All you need to do is to get an umbrella. You can start cooking with the utensils you have in your kitchen, your pot, your gas, your stove, whatever you have. You can even start selling with the plates you have in your house. Then when you grow, you advance from there. You can start with few delicacies. You can start with jollof rice, rice and stew, beans, yam porridge. Then as you advance, you can now add gari, different varieties of soup, because you can't start a business that you're not sure of. You have to be sure that, okay, there's a demand, and there will always be a demand. That is why I advise that if you want to start this business, if you know your location is not a busy location, just look for a busy location where you can do it. For example, you see a construction site and you know there are workers there, and these workers need food, they need water. That is your opportunity to start this business. You can go there, carry your wheelbarrow with your food, go and sell. Before you know it, you're making money on a daily basis, because there's no how somebody can be working without eating. There's no how somebody can be working without drinking water. You can even start this business in a hospital. You can see the management of the hospital that, okay, I want to start selling food inside your premises or outside of your premises, and if they permit you, why, you can start that business. Even in banks, most banks have spaces where they are looking for people to come and sell inside. You're not paying for the space, you're coming to sell. You cook your food from your house, you bring it there and you sell. There are so many opportunities. So when I say Mama Put, it's not encompassed to you staying at the roadside. You can have the opportunity to sell even in a church where they have workers and they don't have somebody to sell water and food to them. You can be that person that will render these services to them. For instance, if you start this business and you're selling a plate of rice and stew and meat for 1,000 naira, or as the case may be, you're selling jollof rice, plantain and meat for 1,000 naira. Take it that you sell 50 plates in a day. 50 plates a day amounts to 50,000 naira. Now the cost from the 50,000 naira is 30,000. Your profit is 20,000 naira. Now your profit for the week, Monday to Friday, is 100,000. So if you're selling for the month, that's Monday to Friday, you're making 400,000. Isn't that a good business to start with? Please don't sleep on this. So I encourage you to start this business. If you're a good cook and if you're neat, please start up this business. If you don't have anything doing, if you're confused of which business to start with, this is the kind of business to start. When you start this business, try to make yourself presentable. Put on an apron. Let your environment be neat. No matter where you are, make it so neat and comfortable so that your customers will always come back. They will even refer you to other people. And on a daily basis, try to put it on your social media platform. You never know where you will grow from there. No mama put remained there forever. Many of them have opened their restaurants because they were consistent in their business. Don't sell on Monday and people don't see you till Friday because they are hungry. The fact that you didn't come on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, they have gone to another person who is consistent. So you need to be consistent in this business. Once you start, be there and be ready for your customers. We know that our foodstuffs are not cheap, but please try to serve quality. Start small, but start now. Remember, food business will never fade away in Nigeria. People return, customers return because of taste and hygiene. So keep your environment clean and make your food classy. So if you're interested in this business and you think that you have some questions, unanswered questions in your mind, please watch out for my next video, because a professional mama put, when I say a professional mama put, somebody that is in the business will be coming to talk to you to share insights on the business. And to my wonderful subscribers, thank you for believing in me. I don't take you for granted. I appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please go to the comment section and let me know what you think. And if you're also into mama put business and you found this video interesting, please let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you're planning to start up this business, also let me know in the comment section. So this is where we draw the curtains on today's edition. Until we come your way next time, love life, live life, and enjoy your life. I remain your host, Titi Atutale.